So what's your name?
Susan.
Dirty Susan. Classic film.
Hultgren, eat your chips.
It's okay. You don't have to drive me. I can just walk from here.
No, it's fine.
But what if my dad finds out what I did?
Well, don't worry. We don't have to say anything. You're not in trouble.
Not with you.
You naughty little girl.
Hultgren, cut it out. I'm sorry. As you can probably tell, this is Officer Hultgren's first day on the force.
It's okay. What are you gonna say?
To who, your dad?
Yeah.
I'll say I saw you walking home alone. Figured I'd give you a ride.
Why don't we just drop her outside her house so that we could avoid this whole thing?
That'd be great, thanks.
Pretty good for my first day on the force, huh, Spradley?
Yes, Hultgren, very good.
See, I'm mature.
Of course. Of course.
That's my dad.
Oh, shit, that's her dad. What are you gonna do?
Watch and learn, hotshot.